Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Hello, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Risha and today I'm going to be getting into this quick glowy makeup look. There are so many quality affordable beauty products and I really want to share about a few of my favorites. This makeup look only took about 10 minutes and I'm just going to create a vibe with it. So not too much talking. I'll add text to screen when necessary, but it's very quick, very short, and straight to the point. Hope you enjoy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown,